The defense has rested its case connected to the overdose death of pitcher Tyler Skaggs. Today, 3 Major League Baseball athletes took the stand to talk about pill use and the defendant, former Angels communications director Eric Kay. Skaggs died in a South Lake hotel room in 2019 while the Angels were in town to play the Rangers. Fox 4's Deion Anglin takes us through what we learned today in court. Deion.
Hi there, Clarice. Well, the defense put on its case all within a day. Eric Kay's attorneys called 5 witnesses. Their mission to chip away at the government's assertion that Kay provided Tyler Skaggs with the drugs that proved to be lethal.
Defense attorneys for Eric Kay on Wednesday began calling witnesses. 3 Major League Baseball players took the stand. Free agents Andrelton Simmons, Trevor Cahill, and Blake Parker. At one point during questioning, Parker, who played with the Angels in 2018, stated he could not recall if he told the grand jury that Tyler Skaggs referred to Eric Kay as someone who could get pills. Parker, he might have. I'm not 100% certain. Defense attorney Reagan Wynn, did you ever receive pills from Eric Kay? Parker responded, yes. Defense attorney Wynn, how many? Parker, 10. Parker, a pitcher, also told the jury he took one of the pills, but a side effect made his hand numb, and he attempted to return the remainder to Kay, but did not receive money back. During other witness testimony, a data expert with the U.S. Secret Service was called on to explain activity on Tyler Skaggs' cell phone in late July of 2019. Weeks after his death. The defense says the data indicates the Instagram app was opened and deletions were made. The government cross-examined the expert and suggested the app could have been already open in the background and had been since before Skaggs died. Defense attorney Reagan Wynn on redirect stated, in actuality, we don't know what was deleted or how much. The data specialist replied, not within this particular set of data. The defense rested by early afternoon. Eric Kay chose not to testify in his own defense.
Now, the court Thursday morning will begin with the reading of the charge, and that will be followed by closing arguments.